In everyday life, a woman is often the symbol of gentleness. She cares, she listens, and she understands. Her strength shows itself in kindness, compassion, patience, and empathy. We do not expect her to be aggressive or violent. And that expectation is not weakness, it is dignity. It reflects the beauty of emotional intelligence, restraint, and grace. But step onto a chessboard, and something unusual happens. There is one lady who is allowed to break all those rules. One lady whose role is to attack boldly, move freely, and act without hesitation. She crosses the board in a single stride, controls space, and changes the game in an instant. She is powerful, she is fearless, she is decisive. She is the queen in the game of chess. This contrast is not meant to redefine womanhood. It simply reminds us that chess is a world of symbols, strategy, and controlled conflict. On the board, aggression has a purpose. Off the board, gentleness has a greater one. And perhaps the lesson is this: true strength knows when to be calm and when to act to make maximum impact.